Hello! Good morning mga kabutchi! Welcome to our channel. We are on week number 11 of year 2025 mga kabutchi. We will just have a quick garden tour mga kabutchi. As once again, we don't have any scheduled activity in our garden right now mga kabutchi. Because my space is already full of Loya mga kabutchi, and the space here mga kabutchi, kanang vacant spaces mga kabutchi. Plants there did not thrive mga kabutchi, but I think this one started getting okay mga kabutchi, no? Here mga kabutchi, I don't know if this is the silly mga kabutchi. Here, wala man mga kabutchi. Wala na po siya. So, our ceiling panigang mga kabutchi, look at this type of bunga mga kabutchi. So I think this looks like too silly. Diba mga kabutchi? Pero ni yung masa nga mga ato i-adjust mga kabutchi, no? Dapat diha siya. Isay na to mga kabutchi. So finally, my siling panigang mga kabutchi is already giving us good fruits mga kabutchi. Oh, very big yun yung fruits mga kabutchi. So my sisters can now start harvesting my siling panigang mga kabutchi. So it's quite an achievement mga kabutchi in our part here. So nice di ay pag ang plants is at the center of your garden mga kabutchi. So the undersilly here mga kabutchi. This is also siling panigang mga kabutchi. And this is the bell paper mga kabutchi. I'm not sure what's happening to the bell paper mga kabutchi. I'm sure it doesn't have enough sunlight mga kabutchi. It's 10 in the morning mga kabutchi, and they're still not getting sunlight like this ampalaya. But once it can climb up mga kabutchi here and spread its branches along our trellis here mga kabutchi, there's a chance that it can get a good sunlight. So if you notice mga kabutchi, our string beans died mga kabutchi. Part of our string beans are dying mga kabutchi. Well, it's another problem though. We have part also of the string beans mga kabutchi that have flowers. So I don't know what happened to that part of the string beans mga kabutchi. I have not traced it yet mga kabutchi. Maybe the branch was cut or something. So that's the possibility mga kabutchi. And then our talong mga kabutchi. Look at our talong. So we have 2 bunga for harvest mga kabutchi. The other one is over there. And we have here. So we just need to have someone water it every day mga kabutchi, because look at the soil. So the soil doesn't look good mga kabutchi. And this is our lemon and the lime over there. So they don't have enough sunlight mga kabutchi. So I just hope that they can still grow. So once they grow big mga kabutchi, so maybe they can get the sunlight they needed. So they are under the coconut tree manggod mga kabutchi. The coconut tree is growing big good mga kabutchi, as in very very big at a young age. And then the loya here mga kabutchi. So the loya. So this garden here will soon be full of loya mga kabutchi. Kanidiri. And then the middle garden is now full of loya. I don't think I have another update na mga kabutchi, no? Wala na siguro siya. So there's a luya also here, and then the tanglad here. Our garden is not really in a good location, mga kabutchi, because it's all covered. So our plants here doesn't have enough sunlight with the eye. Unless the sun will change its direction, but it will happen later. Later, not this month, mga kabutchi. Maybe by the second half of the month, mga kabutchi, they will be full of sun. But at this time of the day, mga kabutchi, the path of the sun, mga good kabutchi. Then, on this area, mga kabutchi, I supposed to have a garden here, but they are full of ants na, mga kabutchi. The ants are here. The ants are still here. Oh, the ants are still here, mga kabutchi. So, the area is not good, mga kabutchi. So, I have sad news, the string beans, and I have also the good news, which is the siling panigang. So this should be the end of our video, mga kabutchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. By the way, did I say that we are already on week number 11 of year 2025? So I hope so. Bye, mga kabutchi.